Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you guys through the basics of setting up or configuring a printer on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing, if you have a specific printer maker model, go onto the manufacturer's website. Most of them have drivers and utility packages you can download directly from them that have the whole suite of different features and tools and drivers you would need for your software. You can go through Windows and locate some of that manually too, usually, but not always. So just please keep that in mind. That's always, something I'd recommend taking a look at first. And if you're unable to find drivers online, or if you're unable to find additional software and you just want to install it through Windows, you can try opening up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result, you come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to see your view by on the top right to large icons. And you want to select devices and printers and go ahead and select that. And now you want to select add a printer up at the top. And where it says choose a device or printer to add to this PC, I'd first, if you're going to use a physical connection between your Windows 10 printer or computer and your printer, I'd make sure you have it already connected. And if you're using a wireless setting on your printer, I'd make sure that was already configured on the printer itself. You may have a touch screen on your printer. You can set up your Wi-Fi settings. So there's a network area that you can go ahead and add your home network settings and configuration to. And then make sure it would then hopefully appear in this list if it was available on your network. If not, you can select that the printer I want isn't listed, and then select the various options here depending on your needs, whether it's a Bluetooth printer or a local printer or a network printer, for example, or maybe it's just an older printer, and you just would select next to follow through with the on-screen prompts here. If you have a different port, you can select whatever port is applicable for your device or create a new port, and then you would select next, and then go about locating your printer on the list here, and then you would select next, and then select next again, and then you can also go ahead and print a test page once you're done to make sure you're printed successfully, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.